No more any money. Crochet Pink Bob Wig. Baila mami, I could do this all night long. Don't carry me to go, carry me to go. You again, Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ebony B here. Well guys, as you can see from the title of the video, we're doing a crochet braided pink bob wig. So I've been fancying this look. I've been seeing it with girls laying their frontals pink, all sorts of colors, and I really fancy the pink one, but I don't have the money to go get the lace wig, get hair dyed, come and dye it pink. So I was like, okay, I'll use braiding hair. So I used my braiding hair. So basically at the beginning I just took my lace that was lying around in the house. I decided to stitch it on the cap to like fake a frontal or a closure, any name you wish to give it. So that's what I'm basically doing here. Yeah, I stitched it. And next thing, I didn't really know the look I was going for at first, so I just kept my crystal. I used half a pack of crystal, just kept it, and then I did the feathering thingy there just to give it that feathered look. I didn't know what I was really going for, so I decided to do this, and that's that. And next thing, I'm just crocheting my hair. As you can see, everything is pretty much self-explanatory, so I don't think I'll be talking much because this voice-over thing here is even difficult. Worst case, everywhere around me there's noise. They are having prayer session behind my house. My neighbor's children are playing and making noise, so if you get any noise like people are shouting, know that is the prayer session that is going on. So yeah, just going to be doing the same thing over and over and over again. It's really repetitive. Yeah guys. Yay, we're halfway through. So basically I'm doing the same thing like I said. I'm just crocheting my hair. And guys, I made a mistake. I just did the looping just once. So but if you want to do yours, try to like pass that mesh that I'm doing once like that. Do it about twice or thrice to make it really strong, so that when you comb through your hair it doesn't shed a lot. Mine was shedding a lot because I did it just once. So guys, if you want to try like doing your own crochet like mine, try to like pass it through the loop like twice or thrice. Yeah, excuse my voice, I kind of have a cold, so my voice is a little bit husky or whatever, but just excuse it. I really had to post this video. Like I've been trying to do it perfect and the rest, but every time something happens, so I just decided that I'm going to post it today, and I'm going to do this voiceover. Whether the whole nation is making noise, I'm going to post this video. So continue looping guys. It's very easy and fast. I actually took 2 days because I have a lot of work in the house. My daughter won't even give me rest, so I'm always like trying to see what she wants and the rest. I take her to school and back and the rest, so I don't really have time on my hands. So I was just taking my time. Maybe I'll come 2 hours, 1 hour, 2 hours, 1 hour, and that's why I took 2 days to do this. And here we are. So guys, I didn't record where I was like reducing the quantity of hair I was taking. So when I reached that middle part, I started reducing the quantity of mesh as I went. Like I was reducing and going, and now I'm doing the frontal. So basically the front part, that's the last part, I'm taking about 1 strand of hair. When I go behind I take 2, when I go again I take 3. That's how I'm doing. 2 3 1 1 2 3. That's what I'm just doing, just to make it look seamless and real like my hair. So guys, keep watching, please guys. Subscribe to this channel, like, share, encourage me, and I promise I'm going to be consistent this time. I'm going to be uploading beautiful content just like this one. Beautiful content, so many things coming up. So please guys, subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you. So guys, I'm done, and I tried on the wig. It was long. I really didn't like it. I didn't like it. Oh, what's wrong with my mouth? I really didn't like the look, so I decided to go for it. So I decided to go for a blonde look. That's why I'm cutting it like blonde. Maybe in the future I'm going to like use an ironing comb, maybe to curl it a little bit inside, or maybe curl it. But for now I went for a blonde look. And there we have it guys. Our wig is done and it looks fabulous. I can't wait to try it on. Oh, you guys already saw it at the beginning of the video. Yeah, that's that, and that's how it ended. And this again is a final look. Thanks for watching guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay locked to this channel. You can't imagine what I'm going to bring next. It's going to be bomb. Thanks for watching guys. Bye bye. Love you.